Hello guys, this is Oche, and today I'll be showing you how to come up with something as simple as this. Yeah, so today that's what we'll be learning how to create on Framer, design on Framer, and you animate on Framer. I hope you enjoy today's class. Okay, so the first things first is to create your card. So basically, what you do is just let's do it from scratch so you get a better understanding. So you have this, duplicate this, just come here, remind me, I don't want to go through the whole stress of having to, yeah. So you add stack here, just take away the fill, you don't need it. So what you do is feed content, feed content, align it to the side. I want this to have uh fixed, let's say 400. 400 should work. Mm, should, or let's say 300. Depends on what you want. So we have something like this. Usually I want it to be space between. So whenever we, don't worry, you see why I made it space between. So we need an image. You duplicate this, bring it out here, and add stack. Remove the fill, feed content, feed content. Yeah, then come here and put fill. So you see what just happened now, because we add that stack had a space between. So once we fill content, they separate. Yeah. So that was what I was intending to do. Why? So what we'll do next is to add the padding. So the pad, you can choose any padding you want. So let's go with 24. Yeah, 24. And let's add image background. Let's use Unsplash and we'll get image. You can use any random image. It doesn't have to be. So let's use this. Okay. Mm, it is a little bit too. Okay, let's see. Share with you. No, no. This image is too much. I just want something that is dark and subtle. Ah, I wonder what I was thinking picking that. Okay. Let's precious speak, please. Okay. So we have something like this. Although I would have preferred this particular image. Let's see. Let me see the name of that image. I don't like it. Okay, I know what to do. So you just go there and just impute what you want. Dark background. Okay, this should do. I just need something very dark. Perfect, perfect, perfecto. So we have our card. You can choose to add the button. Let's add the border radius of 12, and then if you want to add a border, um, yeah, you can also pick any of your choice. You can just choose this color right here. All right. So now that we have this, so the next thing to do is to create a component. Create a component by pressing Command Shift K, or then you make this, let's say, card, and create. So right here, what you do is you have this. Oh, I think I made. Okay, let's see. Now, since the animation I'm trying to create is we have three cards that once you click, it comes to the front. So I want everything to be in a frame. Yeah, I want everything to be in a frame. So what I'm going to do is to just come here, add a frame, and just call that frame card. Let's call it card. Um, Now add the create component. Sorry, I made a mistake. Command Alt Command K. Yeah. So we have this. We have something like this. So this is the variant. So since what we need to do is to, let's say, 3. Now you have 3 cards. Let's make this front. Let's say this is front card, middle card, middle, and then the back. Yeah. Let's increase this a little bit. Yeah. And then space. So want this to on a line, let's say, to this. Yeah, this is the front. I want it to stay at the bottom. This back should be, yeah. So basically this is what we want, right? But then I think we missed a step. We missed a step. So what I'm going to do is this. I'll create another component. So because if it on the, if you remember the, let's go back so you see what I'm talking about. Yeah. If you check this sample we're working with, once you, yeah, you have to carefully examine everything. If you want to replicate a particular animation, you have to check everything that was done. So there's this over animation. You just over it goes up like that, mouse in, mouse out. So that is what we'll do here. In order to accomplish that, we just have to create another component and make this over hover animation. Yeah, so what we'll do is let's go back and add, yeah, let's add a frame. So now let's create this component. Front card, enter, enter. So now we have this to animate. So what we'll do is on hover. We want this card to move up a little. Yeah. So we check preview. So this is what we're talking about. See? Like that. Now we have this. If we preview this, the only card, this is the one we did it for. The rest will not. So what we do now is to just get rid of this. We should have done that from the onset. Get rid of this, then duplicate, sorry, duplicate. So make this middle back. Yeah. So the back should go to the top. The middle should be in the middle. Yeah, we're good to go. It should, yeah, they should all do that now. So you see, so it clips at there's this. So to fix that, what we'll do is, let's say, visible. I should fix it. Yeah, you see, simple as that. So the next thing to do is, now, since you want the cards to come in front of each other, like animate, once you click on it, come to the front like that. So you have to put a index on the cards. So this is the front. This is the front card, right? So, and there are three elements: the front card, the middle, and the back. So what we'll do is to put Z index of this should be Z index 3 is at the front. Yeah, this should be Z index 2, the middle, Z index 1. Yes. So we're getting somewhere. So the next thing is next. Okay, the next thing to do is to create. Let's uh, if you want to name it, you can name. But for the case of for the sake of this tutorial, there's no need for all that. So you create a variant. So the first card is this. So once you click on this, you want this to go, let's say, this way, and we want it to, yeah, this way. Animate. You can your discretion. You can use your own discretion and to see how you want it to be. Then what you do is, since this is 2, you want it to, this becomes 3. You understand? And then the front that was initially 3 becomes 2, goes to the back. You see what happened? So what you do now is just put it to the, and then take it back the rotation to 0. Then you have to arrange, yeah, the front card is now the middle card this way. So I hope you are not lost. So let's just link them to this and click. It goes here. So now there's something here. The main issue here now is not an issue or something, but the main thing is here. So it goes here. So what you do is, now there's an after delay of 0, let's say 0.2 or 0, let's say 0.2 on appear. Let's say you click it. Let's see what we just did. mm. Did you see that? So once you click like that, so there's a reason we put the, if you don't add the after delay, if you don't add this delay, if you make it 0, you won't get the result. So it's very important to add that delay. So you see, you get a result, but not the required result. So it just goes to the front. But we want it to go up and come down. So that is why that particular one is very important that you add it. So you have 0.2. Then you come here, 0.2, yeah. The animation, it depends on what you want actually. If you want it to bounce a little bit, let's see how that will play out. No, we don't want that. So we just wanted something subtle, something something subtle. Yeah, don't want you don't want your animation to be too hard. It depends on what you're trying to achieve though. So, you are. So you have something like this. Let's try it out. Okay, this I think I just added it to the wrong one. It shouldn't be. It should after delay here. After delay should be here. Yeah, 0.2. Now you can try it out and see. As simple as that. Yeah. So you can for the third this card over here. So you create another. So once you click on this, you want this to let's check the distance. So okay. So just come here and paste. Goes up, rotate by 4 degrees. Yeah. Depends on how the angle you want. So it's all based on you. So the next one is come here. So now this will be we want this to come to the front. This will be our new 3. You understand? It was initially 1 at the back, so it will be our new 3. So this middle now that was initially that was in the middle as 2 became 3. So now since it's going to the middle back, it will become 2 again. I don't know if you understand. 2 again. So let's correct this. Yeah. Then 0 to the middle. So this middle, which is now 2, goes here. Then the front card will now be 1. It's going to the back. So this is it. As simple as that. So just come here and make your connections to this. Then yeah, no, you have to remove this. You should not have any connection. Get it away. Yes. Yes. Okay. And this to this, then this should take you to this. Then similar to what we did over there. Then this should be to this appear 0.2. You have to check because see there's something connecting to the back, so you have to check it and ensure that there's no this one also is something connecting to the back. Remove. Yeah. So let's check it out. Hover, hover, hover. This, then this, like that. So we've done for this becomes this. So you can just go on like that and just follow the same principle and you're good to go. Yeah. So you can apply the same thing here once it's clicked. So it's as simple as that. You don't have to, as usual, force over anything. Once you just understand how it's meant to be, you understand, you get it. Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you so much.